In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Microsoft gift card. If you want a quick, safe way to add money to your Microsoft account for games, apps, movies, or subscriptions like Game Pass, the best place to start is the official Microsoft Store. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft website. In the search bar, type Microsoft Gift Card. On the gift card page, choose the amount you want in your local currency, whether that's dollars, pesos, or whatever matches your region. Pick Digital Delivery, then add it to your cart. From here, check out just like any online purchase. You can pay with a debit or credit card, and in many regions, PayPal is supported as well. Stick to the official checkout to avoid delays or fraud. After payment, you'll receive a digital code by email. This is the code you'll redeem for balance, so keep it safe and don't share it. If you don't see the message right away, give it a few minutes and check your spam or promotions folder. Next, let's redeem that code. Open a new tab and go to the Microsoft redemption site. Sign in with the Microsoft account you want to fund. If you have more than one account, make sure you're logged into the correct one before redeeming. On the page, enter the 25-digit code exactly as shown in your email. Then select Redeem. You'll get a quick confirmation, and the funds are added to your account instantly. A couple of important tips to make things smooth. Microsoft gift cards are region-locked, which means a card purchased for one country can only be redeemed on an account from that same country. Double-check that the region on your Microsoft account matches the card's currency before you buy. Once the balance is in your account, you can spend it on Xbox games and add-ons, apps and content in the Microsoft Store, movies and TV, and eligible subscriptions, including Game Pass. To stay safe, avoid buying codes from random sellers or unofficial marketplaces, as there's a real risk of scams or invalid codes. The official store is the most reliable route. If anything looks off during checkout or redemption, pause and verify the account and region details before proceeding. Also keep in mind that once a code is redeemed, the balance is tied to that account and can't be transferred or withdrawn as cash. And that's it. Buy from the official Microsoft Store, receive your digital code by email, and redeem it at the redemption site to load your balance instantly. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.